Are you getting the frustrating site cannot be reached error page with the code DNS probe finish thanks domain? This means Google Chrome cannot resolve the website address to its correct IP address. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue step by step. Let us solve this together.
First, let us flush the DNS cache and reset your network catalog. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig, flushdns, and press Enter. Next, type netsh winsock reset to resolve socket connection glitches. Restart your computer to apply these changes.
Second, clear Google Chrome's internal DNS cache. Copy and paste Chrome/net internals tab DNS in your address bar and press Enter. Click the Clear Host Cache button to clear expired IP entries. This forces Chrome to fetch fresh domain records.
Third, configure your network adapter to use Google Public DNS. Open your network properties, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, and select Manual DNS. Enter 8.8.8.8 as preferred and 8.8.4.4 as alternate. This bypasses slow provider servers.
This connection failure is usually caused by outdated local IP cache, temporary router glitches, or third-party antivirus blocks. Make sure to temporarily disable your VPN or proxy to check if they are interfering with your secure DNS requests. Keep your system settings clean.
Your browser should now connect to the website successfully. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your results in the comments. Thank you for watching.